Conversation about law. Conversation about law សន្ទនាអំពីច្បាប់ What law do you like? What law do you like? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តច្បាប់អ្វី I like the traffic law of wearing the helmet when traveling by motorbike. I like the traffic law of wearing the helmet when traveling by motorbike. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តច្បាប់ចរាចរណ៍នៃការពាក់មួកសុវត្ថិភាពពេលធ្វើដំណើរតាមម៉ូតូ Is that an international law? Is that an international law? តើនោះជាច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិមែនទេ Yes, people around the world follow this law. Yes, people around the world follow this law. បាទមនុស្សជុំវិញពិភពលោកអនុវត្តតាមច្បាប់នេះ When was it issued? When was it issued? តើវាចេញនៅពេលណា I'm not quite sure, but I guess a long time ago. I'm not quite sure, but I guess a long time ago. ខ្ញុំមិនប្រាកដទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំគិតយូរមកហើយ Who told you that law? Who told you that law? អ្នកណាប្រាប់ច្បាប់នោះ I learned it at school. I learned it at school. ខ្ញុំបានរៀនវានៅសាលា Is it easy to follow that law? Is it easy to follow that law? តើវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការធ្វើតាមច្បាប់នោះទេ Yes, it is. It doesn't cause any inconvenience at all. Yes, it is. It doesn't cause any inconvenience at all. បាទវាងាយទេវាមិនបង្កឲ្យមានការរអាក់រអួលអ្វីទាំងអស់ What do you think about this law? What do you think about this law? តើអ្នកយល់យ៉ាងណាចំពោះច្បាប់នេះ The traffic law is so necessary for traffic participants when they are on the road. The traffic law is so necessary for traffic participants when they are on the road. ច្បាប់ចរាចរណ៍គឺចាំបាច់ណាស់សម្រាប់អ្នកចូលរួមចរាចរណ៍នៅពេលពួកគេធ្វើដំណើរលើដងផ្លូវ What benefit can you get from following that law? What benefit can you get from following that law? តើអ្នកអាចទទួលបានអត្ថប្រយោជន៍អ្វីពីការធ្វើតាមច្បាប់នោះ It may keep me safe from traffic accident. It may keep me safe from traffic accidents. វាអាចការពារខ្ញុំពីគ្រោះថ្នាក់ចរាចរណ៍ Why should people obey the law strictly? Why should people obey the law strictly? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាប្រជាពលរដ្ឋគួរគោរពច្បាប់យ៉ាងម៉ឺងម៉ាត់ Following law is a good way to protect themselves as well as others. Following law is a good way to protect themselves as well as others ការធ្វើតាមច្បាប់គឺជាមធ្យោបាយល្អក្នុងការការពារខ្លួនក៏ដូចជាអ្នកដទៃ What can be done to encourage people to follow the law? What can be done to encourage people to follow the law? តើអាចធ្វើដូចម្តេចដើម្បីជំរុញឲ្យប្រជាពលរដ្ឋអនុវត្តច្បាប់ Obeying law is people's responsibility. If they against the law, they'll put themselves in trouble. Obeying law is people's responsibility. If they against the law, they'll put themselves in trouble. ការគោរពច្បាប់គឺជាទំនួលខុសត្រូវរបស់មនុស្សប្រសិនបើពួកគេប្រឆាំងនឹងច្បាប់ពួកគេនឹងធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនឯងមានបញ្ហា Vocabulary phrases clauses Number 1 helmet មួកសុវត្ថិភាព Number 2 follow អនុវត្តតាមធ្វើតាម International law ច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិ Number 4 around the world ជុំវិញពិភពលោក Number 5 inconvenience ការរអាក់រអួល Number 6 think about you គិតអំពីអ្នក Keep me safe from traffic accidents ការពារខ្ញុំពីគ្រោះថ្នាក់ចរាចរណ៍ Number 8 obey the law strictly គោរពច្បាប់យ៉ាងម៉ឺងម៉ាត់ Number 9 as well ផងដែរ Number 10 as well as ក៏ដូចជា Number 11 against the law ប្រឆាំងនឹងច្បាប់ Thank you